Hello and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials. My name is Rebecca Escott and I'm going to show you a very quick and fun, simple water slide tutorial, especially for those that cannot afford the sublimation process. We're going to take these water slides and seal them as we would any other, and we're going to apply them to the coffee cups and then we can bake them. You can use dollar store mugs, or in this case, I actually had leftover sublimation tumblers and I'm going to use that for this project today. You want to use Mod Podge clear acrylic sealer for this project. Seal it 3 times, allowing dry time in between. So now we're ready and my cup is set up and ready for the first decal. As you can see, I've already trimmed up very, very close to my image. So as with any other water slides, you want to go ahead and place it into the water. I like to place mine face down, which prevents manhandling and it wrinkling. Once it starts to pull off the backing, you know your water slide is now ready for placement. Now I will admit I was super nervous because I've never used the Mod Podge as a sealer. So this was an experiment for me. I did find that it was a little bit more wrinkly than I would prefer. But overall, I would give it a thumbs up. It actually worked. As you see, I did have to take my time just making sure I had all the wrinkles and the air pockets. You don't want any water remaining within this. So allow your cups to sit off to the side and fully dry. I gave mine about a 2-hour window before placing them into the oven. Here's the other one that I did off camera, and I did that because I really wanted to bake them both at the exact same time. This project is fantastic for those that may be epoxy sensitive, and you only need a convection oven and dollar store coffee cups and water slides. So for a few bucks, you can have a really beautiful item. I set my timer for 12 minutes. My temperature is set for 220. Just please keep in mind, temperature and times will vary per your oven. And now we're all done. Make sure you have your heat gloves because these puppies are hot. And it doesn't take that long because, again, it's not a very high temp. I also do not place mine into any water or any ice buckets. I allow them to cool on their own to prevent any possible cracking of the cup. And that's it. Super easy. So fun and such a quick project. And this is a great gift for anybody. So I really hope you guys appreciate this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials coming soon.